The wind was wild, the sky turned gray, the trees all swayed and bent their way. A nest began to fall apart, but kindness grew inside one heart. Kindness builds nests, branch by branch, a helping hand, a second chance. When storms arrive and hopes feel small, a gentle heart can fix it all. He saw her wings, her worried eyes, the baby birds with frightened cries.